everyone, that is what, 36 down, 2 more to go for our first pass, and we still haven't gotten any add-ons yet. So 38 still the number, Trav. 38 driveways.
Should be 42.
Yep. You never know. The day's not over. But we got 2 more to complete our first round, our first pass. Then we're gonna take a little union break, grab something to eat, and then go at it for another 10-12 hours.
Yeah, it's only half over.
Because the next round's gonna be the clean it up nice round. Which usually takes a little bit longer. But this one's done. These 2 properties together took what, 40 minutes, Trav? 40, 45? 50 minutes? I'm trying to make myself look good. What's the matter? I'm sitting here trying to tell you guys on YouTube it took me 45 minutes, and Travis is like, it took 50. He's calling me out on all my lies, everyone. He's calling me out.
I lied so many times. Oh, it will only be 3 parts. No, it was 4 parts. Oh, this is our last one. No, it's not. This is our second to last one.
Oh wait, we got more. Man, well, I'm sorry for all the lies, guys. Sorry for all the lies. I didn't mean it.
The hiccups.
All right, ladies, gentlemen, boys, girls, mummies, daddies. Anything to add?
Friends.
Pets.
Pets. All of y'all. Look at Benny's pants. They're frozen. That is a frozen bell bottom right there, Benny. Jeez. Pass 1 complete. You know what mostly that is, dude? You having to get out and videotape. Tell these guys to give us like a bunch of likes.
We definitely need a bunch of likes. If you liked it. We don't want you to be
if you like
liars.
it. Yeah,
but
don't
since
be
YouTube
liars.
took the dislike button away.
Yep. No, they didn't. It's
Oh, they
actually
didn't?
up to the creator to say show dislikes and likes or don't show dislikes.
I guess we all know who the pussies are.
Yeah, pretty much. Pretty much. But there's that, guys. We got another at least 6 hours of, well, 5-6 hours of snow, right? You said 8 o'clock, Benny? So 5 hours. It's 3 o'clock now. Time for our break.
Time for a break.
We're gonna go get something to eat. What are you guys thinking?
I don't know.
Things done. It just took us a long time to find somewhere to get dinner. Everywhere was closed except Carlo's Pizza. We're rolling up to my house now. I'm gonna clean it up. We still got about 5 hours of snow left to fall, so we're just kind of taking it easy. Gonna get some food in our bellies and wait for the storm to end so we can go clean up all the driveways, guys. But let's get my house cleaned up. Alright guys, I actually have a separate video for plowing my driveway. I had a lot of snow on it as it was right now. So here's the thumbnail. Make sure you hit that subscribe and check out my channel for my driveway plowing video. Time to eat finally. Found food. Chicken finger dinner for Benny. Chicken finger dinner for Trav. Pizza for me. Time to grub. was that 13 inches of snow you measured so far? Probably getting another 2 more inches.
Maybe 3.
Maybe 3.
Maybe 3.
But we got about 14 inches, I'd say, on the driveways, and on the bottom of the driveways where the road's been pushed back, there's got to be at least 2 feet, sometimes more. So
2.5 feet sometimes.
2.5. So Trav's gonna show you guys us opening up this this driveway here. What do you guys think? That snow is deep out there. Check it out. Thanks, Trav. Look at that pile over there. Trav, there is some snow, man. Unreal. The wind is definitely the worst part. Yeah, I know. Gotta dig the stairs out. Tell you what, boys, that might not be a big driveway, but that was a big one off the list.
Oh yeah.
Well, I mean, when it's all stacked in front of the car and they can't move the car.
Yep. Hey, they still did. They left us in a better position than the last guy, and they didn't have to do anything to do that. Hopefully that last guy doesn't see my videos. Okay, that's going to wrap up this first night plowing video of the blizzard of 2022. I got some clips coming up here of the next part, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and check out the channel for all these plow videos.
Out in stormy weather, I might have the blues, but nothing ever stopped me from dusting off my shoes. You might think you'll see me falling to the ground,